In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Thinkorswim Risk Profile. Start by launching Thinkorswim. Once the platform loads, look along the top for the Analyze tab and click it. Within Analyze, choose Risk Profile. Depending on your layout, Risk Profile may appear as a sub-tab or as an option in a side panel, but either way, selecting it will open the Risk Profile graph area. This is where you'll visualize how a position could gain or lose money across different prices of the underlying. In the Risk Profile view, enter the symbol of the underlying you want to evaluate. Type the ticker into the symbol field and confirm it so the analysis focuses on the correct stock or index. The graph and trade tools will tie to this symbol. Next, use the Add Simulated Trades tool to build a hypothetical trade. This is where you can construct what you'd like to analyze without placing anything live. Choose what you want to model, such as a single call, a single put, or a spread. As you add your selection, pick the strike and quantity that match your idea. If you're analyzing a spread or a more complex strategy, include multiple legs. The platform will combine them automatically into a single position view. As soon as you add legs, the risk profile graph updates to show potential profit and loss across a range of underlying prices. The horizontal axis represents the price of the underlying, and the vertical axis represents projected profit or loss for your simulated position. Where the line crosses zero, you're looking at approximate break-even levels. Peaks and valleys help you see the maximum gain and maximum loss, or whether the position has limited or unlimited risk. Take a moment to study how the curve changes as you modify strikes, quantities, or add and remove legs. The curve's slope gives you a sense of directional exposure, and the distance between gains and losses can highlight how sensitive the position may be to price moves. For multi-leg strategies, focus on the combined curve as it reflects how the legs interact with one another. Remember, everything you do here is a simulation for planning and understanding your potential risk and reward. Nothing is being sent to market from the risk profile. When you're ready to explore another idea, simply adjust the simulated trade within Add Simulated Trades and watch the graph respond. With practice, this workflow helps you visualize outcomes before committing capital and makes it easier to refine strategies to match your goals and risk tolerance.